everyone, and welcome to the Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be discussing software licensing. Nearly every software asset you use in Concert requires some kind of license. And while some assets have their licenses provided to you by Concert, others operate under a bring-your-own license policy. Fortify is the best example of this bring-your-own license model. The necessary information about a software asset's license can be found by selecting User Agreement. You will be able to download a Fortify asset and deploy it. However, without the license, it will not function. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site, which features these videos and related articles that cover these topics in greater depth. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description or in the upper right-hand corner. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.